Hi guys! Tortoise shell nails were on my to-do list for such a long time, but I couldn't figure out the perfect way of doing them. I found a tutorial by Winnie from the channel Winnie is Awesome, and let me tell you, she is awesome. Her tutorial inspired me so much to give it a go. So this design is pretty much a recreation of hers, except that she worked with gel and I didn't. I link her tutorial in the info box below, so make sure to check her out and show her some love. So first of all, obviously we're gonna add a base coat, and then we're gonna grab a yellowish jelly polish. If you don't have such a tinted nail polish, don't worry, just use a clear polish and mix it with some yellow, and then you will get this kind of effect. Next, add blobs of brown polish and go in with a brush to blend it out. Repeat the same thing, but this time with a black polish. Now let's add some pieces of gold foil. Vinny also did this and I love how this looks like. It's all about layering, so let's add some more of the jelly yellow nail polish. Let's go in with the brown, making sure we're also covering some of the gold foil. And lastly, another layer of the jelly yellow polish. Let's add some gold metal pieces. I recommend to secure them with some nail glue. To finish off the design, seal it in with a generous amount of top coat. And here they are, my first tortoise nails in my life, and I absolutely adore those. Please let me know if you also like the tortoise nail trend or not. And if you like this video, please give this a huge thumbs up. Thank you very much, Winnie, for the inspiration, and thank you all for watching. And if you haven't seen my previous video, you can click here and watch it. I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye guys!